What is good, you guys? It's your boy Joey Sings, and welcome to the channel, honey. Yes, you read the title right. We is diving back into the QSMP, you guys, and Slimecicle done became an egg, and Quacky done adopted him. Lord, I know that the chaos is about to be real, so I'm gonna shut it on up and press play. But if you is not a backup singer, go ahead and become one, you guys. Smash that subscribe button as well as hit that bell to get notified when I upload brand new videos like this. Let's get into it. Here we go.
No more lying. This is me. This is me. Yeah. This is the story of my life. Yeah.
Alrighty, you guys. So I got the video pulled up, and let's get into it.
My metamorphosis begins. No! I don't know what it is, but something feels different.
Oh my goodness.
Something's changed.
Oh my goodness.
It's just I'm kind of hungry. I guess I could eat. Oh shit!
I have been told by an anonymous source that Jesus still indeed loves me. And this is something
Wait, because the slime egg is so cute.
that previously, as you all may know, I did not possess, was Jesus' forgiveness. Because I let my prior son die.
Oh, yes you did. Cheyenne.
I'm not rambling. It's not rambling. It's the truth. It's the truth. Come inside with me. I think there's something we should look at.
Okay.
This, as you all may know, was the former adoption center.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is weird. What is this? Huh? What is this over here? Huh?
Top tier acting. Come on, try it.
An attic? Huh? What?
Oh, yeah, look
Where's
at
it? Where's it? Give me 1 second. I don't know where I'm supposed to. Hold on. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, this
Give
is
me
where
1
you
second. I don't know
probably
where I'm supposed to be.
Oh, here.
Okay, guys. Step back. Ready? Okay. Wait, what is this? Wait, what? Egg?
Why is it spelled like that? Why is it just weirdly
Yeah.
spaced out?
Guys, I think there's something weird here.
Right.
What? What?
Oh my
What
goodness.
is this?
You got it? What the hell?
Abandoned this entire time?
Oh, it looks like one flipper. It looks like one flipper.
Yeah.
It does look like water flipper.
This is so cute. What is your name, son?
Hello there, Junior.
Egg.
Egg. Yeah, see.
Huevito. Nice
Egg.
to meet you, Huevito. That is, wow. Feed. Of course.
Oh, I got the food for you, the Big Daddy breakfast.
Yes, I want the Big Daddy breakfast, Big Daddy.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a big shit. Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
guys, this is insane.
I can't.
Absolutely.
It's just the gift
Oh.
of life.
Hello. What's it?
Papa's? No, you have to choose
that-
one of us.
Not me or Fit. No, me and Fit already. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's all right.
I'm just
First
curious.
of all, don't hurt his feelings. Okay, do not hurt his feelings. He said papas because all y'all can be his papas
Just let him
now.
choose. Let him choose.
Yeah, you know what?
Him,
Let's all
her,
stand.
envy, whatever it is.
Quackity, this is your
Okay,
moment. This is your
okay.
moment, Quackity. This is your moment.
Okay. Mr. Egg, who would you like to have as a father?
I'm sniffing.
You have to choose carefully. Okay, how about we all...
You gotta choose
introduce ourselves
carefully.
to the egg?
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay,
I
yeah,
like
that
that.
sounds good.
I'll go first. Hello, Egg. My name is Phil. I have an egg called Cheyenne. My partner, we live on top of the wall. And, oh, you're so cute. You're really squishy for an egg.
My soft spot.
We go on adventures.
My soft spot.
Really cool. Nice to meet you.
I cannot with him.
Yeah, hello, hola.
All right, yeah. Hello, little egg. My name's Fit MC. I live here on the island with my son Ramon.
Ramon.
And my fucking asshole husband Serene cigarettes, and does not come back yet. So I'm basically a single parent, but I can take care of more than one egg. It's
Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good.
Anyway,
Okay.
I said
right,
my
great.
piece. Quackity.
Great.
Of course. Well, Egg, this is. He doesn't have signs, so he has to break them. Wait, are you also an egg?
Sí, yo soy Don Huevo.
Yes, I love Don
Wow,
Huevos.
that's crazy. It is a pleasure to meet you. My name is Quackity.
Papa!
Used to have a son, though,
Papa!
because of unforeseen
Papa!
circumstances, some dickhead was fucking
Papa!
taking care of him and let him die out of nowhere. So now he's passed away, but he's living a better life in heaven, which is wonderful. So,
Aw.
but I'm a single parent. I have no son, no responsibilities. Everything is just, I'm just waiting for the next phase of my life, if you will. What the hell? Sorry.
Cheyenne's just speed bridging. Hey guys, hello.
Hey! Hello!
So, crazy thing. I can't explain it. Just take a look at this shit.
Papa!
Look, it's a bird.
Take a look at this shit.
Papa?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow! Oh, say hello, kid.
Oh!
Papa?
What, Leo? Oh,
Yo,
man,
Papa?
that
Yo,
that
Papa?
did wither damage me.
Why the fuck does Leo have...
What?
I have sticky keys.
How the
I
hell?
have sticky
It's
keys.
part of her allowance. If she was good, she'd get a withered skullhead.
Jesus Christ, can I be your son? Okay.
Right.
Me, Egg.
Wanna come down?
Okay, his name's Egg.
His name is Egg. Leo, how do you turn off sticky keys? That's a good question, Leo. Can you please tell Egg how to turn off sticky keys?
Oh, right, the eggs can stalk with each other.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And did you know he was stuck? He was stuck in the attic all alone and cold?
How many eggs have been stuck in the attic? I feel. Are we sure?
Oh,
are they
jeez.
all out of the attic now? I feel like this is. The
Are they all out of the attic?
Sure hope
That's the
so.
question to
There's
ask,
so many of them
Louis.
stuck in there. This is
Um,
horrible.
Are you adopting this egg? Are you?
Well, I think it's time. Egg, you have to choose a father. Boys, let's stand here. Let's stand here in a line.
Okay.
Let's
okay.
stand here in a horizontal line, and the egg will choose.
I don't know. I don't know who to choose.
You better go to Quackity.
Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Wait, that's not fair. I'm not bald.
Oh.
Wait. Okay.
He's looking at fit.
He is so dramatic.
No, you can't choose
Oh,
another
no.
egg. You can't choose another egg. That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
Yeah. Papa huevo.
No, that's not. Tell Leonardo that she can't be.
Were you ready to be a parent?
That's no, that's not. We can't do that. No, that's not. No. Okay. No. That's no. This is not. This is not.
Oh, I mean, it just makes sense. Another egg to take care of another egg.
Exception.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's morally correct.
Okay. All right. I gotta make a choice.
All right, once and for all, fellas. Let's all stand in a horizontal line.
Okay,
and let
okay,
the
okay.
egg choose
Okay.
All
who
right.
it wants as a guardian. Or
Period.
call it that, a guardian.
A
Maybe
guardian?
not a father,
Okay.
or a guardian.
Okay. All right.
Hey,
All right.
the
It's
eggs
like
don't
Air Bud.
count.
It's
You
like
know how
Air Bud.
Please go stand with Cheyenne.
No, the eggs don't count.
Oh.
The eggs don't count.
The eggs don't count. The eggs
Yeah.
don't count.
This one's got really big eyeballs.
Okay.
Hey, come on.
I think that's
now.
just
Don't
the
make fun of
glasses.
me.
That's really big eyebrow.
No, it's just the glasses, I think.
It's gonna choose.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Gonna choose.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know what that means.
I think it's floating. I think it's
What is it doing?
hovering. I think
What is it doing?
it's charging
He's
up.
thinking. Maybe
He's
he's
thinking,
meditating.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh!
What?
What the hell?
Oh.
Fit?
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
what? Huh?
I can't.
Slide?
I can't-
Gonna be.
I-
Oh.
Who's it gonna be? Whoa! Yeah!
Yay!
Wow! Egg!
We love
so
it.
proud of the trust in me. That's so wonderful. Guys, meet my new. You know what? I'm not gonna call you son. I'm gonna call you. What kind of egg? This is my new egg. Give me a name, Papa.
Give me yes.
Okay.
See.
You know what? Since we found this egg together, I want a name that all 4 of us can agree on.
Ooh.
Guys.
Okay.
Yes. What about egg?
T-Rex.
Jesus.
No, bad.
No.
What are you, 5? Are you 5 years old? Are you 5 years old?
I mean, I just saw green. He's kind of like a dinosaur.
I'm sorry.
Oh, let's no.
I don't think he likes
Don't
it.
like dinosaur. Don't
How
like
about-
dinosaur.
I'm just
Broccoli.
going, What?
Broccoli?
Do you guys like broccoli? Looks like a little stupid ass little broccoli. Doesn't like it.
Doesn't like broccoli.
He didn't blow you up.
No greens. No greens.
What if you gave us a name, huh? What if you gave us a name that you liked? Oh, it's gonna name.
Don't
It's
worry,
gonna type
don't
a
worry,
name.
Leo, you're my only kid.
Booger.
I'm not dancing my seat.
These kids writing a
I'm
fucking
nervous.
novel. Holy
He's
shit.
writing the fucking novel.
It's a kid. Relax. Grass.
You might not even know that he's green. You might
We still waiting for a name.
You wanna be?
So long typing that out.
I did.
Gag.
Just throw a D.
I cannot.
Okay, gag.
Gag.
That's such a.
Okay. You kinda look
That's
like
a
a
Gag. Oh my, I
Yeah,
can't.
I can see you being a gag.
I cannot with this because the fact that Slimecicle is now an egg, I already know that the chaos between him and Quackity, Lord, they finna run wild. Period, honeys. And I'm gonna be here for it. Alrighty, you guys, there you have it. Meet Rat and the Slimecicle becoming the egg and letting Quackity adopt him, Lord. And I know them two is about to cause chaos on the SMP. If you guys are here for it, go to give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you're another backup singer before you go, honey, become one, okay? Smash that subscribe button so hit that bell to get notified when I upload brand new videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. Deuces.